In the tapestry of human history, certain foods have been revered for their unparalleled nutritional prowess, yet time and modernization have cast them into the shadows. Enter the realm of lost superfoods, a trove of ancient, nutrient-dense edibles once celebrated by our ancestors but now overlooked. This article embarks on a journey to unearth these forgotten nutritional powerhouses, shedding light on their historical eminence, exploring their bountiful health benefits, and advocating for their resurgence in modern diets. Join us in rediscovering these overlooked treasures that hold the potential to revolutionize nutritional landscapes and enrich contemporary culinary experiences. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on the video as it greatly helps the channel. Stay until the end of the video to learn about all the best superfoods you have never heard of and how you can use them in your everyday life. Historical perspective of lost superfoods. Throughout millennia, diverse cultures cultivated an array of nourishing foods that have since faded from mainstream diets. These lost superfoods were integral components of ancient civilizations, revered for their nutritional richness and revered properties. In ancient civilizations such as the Aztecs, Mayans, and indigenous tribes across continents, these foods held pivotal roles in sustenance and cultural practices. Grains like amaranth and quinoa, hailed for their exceptional protein content and resilience, sustained civilizations for centuries. Berries like the aronia berry, prized for its antioxidant potency, thrived in Eastern Europe but are scarcely acknowledged in modern diets. The shift towards modernization, industrialization, and the advent of mass agricultural practices marginalized these nutritional gems. As convenience and mass production took precedence, these foods fell into obscurity, replaced by more commercially viable alternatives. Understanding the historical significance of these lost superfoods offers a glimpse into the diverse dietary landscapes of bygone eras. The resurgence of interest in ancient grains, indigenous plants, and forgotten fruits not only reconnects us to our culinary heritage, but also unlocks a treasure trove of nutritional benefits waiting to be rediscovered in the modern world. Rediscovering forgotten superfoods. In the quest to unravel the mysteries of forgotten superfoods, a resurgence of interest has emerged, driven by a desire to rediscover their potent nutritional profiles and health benefits. Exploration of lesser-known superfoods. Across continents, numerous overlooked treasures await rediscovery. These include ancient grains like teff, a tiny powerhouse packed with nutrients, and millet, a versatile grain valued for its resilience and gluten-free nature. Indigenous plants like moringa, revered for its exceptional nutrient density, and sea buckthorn, renowned for its robust vitamin content, linger in the fringes of modern diets. Nutritional value and health benefits. These lost superfoods boast impressive nutritional compositions, often surpassing their modern counterparts. Ample scientific research underscores their benefits, from antioxidant-rich berries to protein-packed grains, contributing to enhanced immune function, improved cardiovascular health, and overall well-being. Integration into modern diets. Embracing these forgotten superfoods entails reintroducing them into contemporary culinary landscapes. Innovative recipes, creative uses, and widespread availability in specialty markets or health stores facilitate their inclusion in daily meals, enriching diets with a diversity of nutrients and flavors. The journey of rediscovery leads us to these hidden nutritional treasures, inviting us to harness their potent health benefits and savor the rich tapestry of flavors and nutrients woven within these forgotten superfoods. Culinary and nutritional potential. Reviving culinary heritage. Incorporating lost superfoods into modern cuisines revitalizes culinary heritage. From heirloom recipes to contemporary adaptations, these foods offer unique flavors, textures, and nutritional richness. Ancient grains like spelt or fonio bring depth to bread, while nutrient-dense sea vegetables infuse dishes with umami flavors. Nutritional density and health impact. Lost superfoods excel in nutritional density, often surpassing conventional options. For instance, tiger nuts boast high fiber and resistant starch content, aiding digestion and promoting gut health. The revival of such foods introduces diverse nutrients into diets, potentially addressing modern health concerns like micronutrient deficiencies and fostering overall wellness. Creative integration, experimentation, and creativity in cooking allow the integration of these foods into diverse culinary creations. Incorporating forgotten herbs like fenugreek or purslane, packed with medicinal properties, elevates dishes. Moreover, the adaptability of these foods to various culinary styles encourages innovative recipes and enriches culinary experiences. Accessibility and education. Encouraging accessibility to these superfoods through farmers markets, specialty stores, or community initiatives fosters wider adoption. Educational campaigns on their nutritional value and culinary versatility enhance awareness and encourage exploration. The resurgence of these nutritional powerhouses not only rekindles culinary traditions, but also amplifies nutritional diversity and wellness potential, inviting us to rediscover the treasures hidden within these lost superfoods. Challenges and opportunities, barriers to reintroduction. Despite their nutritional richness, reintroducing lost superfoods faces challenges. Limited accessibility, unfamiliarity, and higher costs compared to mainstream alternatives hinder widespread adoption. Additionally, changing dietary habits poses resistance to embracing these ancient foods. Cultural and environmental considerations. Resurrecting lost superfoods demands considerations of cultural relevance and environmental impact. Balancing cultivation practices and preserving biodiversity while respecting cultural contexts is imperative for sustainable reintroduction. Opportunities for resurgence. Overcoming these challenges presents opportunities for culinary innovation and sustainable nutrition. Community-supported agriculture, educational campaigns, and policy advocacy can bolster accessibility and affordability, promoting their integration into mainstream diets. Navigating these challenges and opportunities paves the path for a culinary revival, emphasizing nutritional diversity and sustainability, vital for rekindling the allure and relevance of these forgotten nutritional treasures. Future perspectives and sustainability cultivation and conservation efforts. The revival of lost superfoods hinges on sustainable cultivation practices and conservation efforts. Initiatives promoting agrobiodiversity, crop conservation, and seed banks ensure the preservation of these ancient varieties for future generations. Nutritional security and diversity. Integrating lost superfoods into agriculture promotes nutritional security by diversifying crop varieties. Their resilience to harsh climates and minimal input requirements make them valuable in promoting food security, especially in regions vulnerable to climate change. Culinary education and awareness. Educating communities about the nutritional value and culinary versatility of these foods fosters wider acceptance. Collaborations between culinary experts, nutritionists, and policymakers can elevate their status, encouraging their inclusion in culinary curricula and public health initiatives. Global collaboration and advocacy. International collaboration and advocacy are pivotal. Platforms fostering knowledge exchange, research, and policy support on these ancient foods bolster their resurgence on a global scale, emphasizing sustainability and nutritional importance. Embracing lost superfoods aligns with a vision for a resilient, diverse, and sustainable food future where ancient nutritional treasures play a crucial role in promoting health, biodiversity, and culinary heritage. The renaissance of lost superfoods embodies more than a culinary revival. It symbolizes a return to holistic nutrition, cultural heritage, and environmental stewardship. As these forgotten nutritional powerhouses resurface, they offer a pathway to diverse diets, improved health, and sustainable agriculture. Overcoming challenges of accessibility and cultivating wider awareness can elevate these foods to their deserved status in modern diets. The journey to reintroduce lost superfoods requires collective efforts in cultivation, education, and advocacy, fostering a nutritional landscape that honors the past while nourishing the future. Embracing these ancient treasures isn't just a gastronomic endeavor, but a testament to preserving culinary legacies, promoting wellness, and safeguarding our global food heritage.